Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So you open Waze, and within an hour your phone is down to 30-40%. You are barely using it, but the battery is dropping fast. This is Waze's biggest drawback. It's a battery hog, but there are ways to reduce the drain. In today's small tutorial, we wanna go through how to fix Waze draining your battery fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, as would everyone would say, turn on battery saver in Waze. Older versions of Waze had a built-in battery saver feature. If your version still has it, like a version before 5.4.5.0, you can easily go to settings, go all the way to general, and you would see an option to actually active the battery saver. Otherwise, it is removed in the latest updates. Now, you only have one option, either to go and use your phone's battery settings. On both Android and iOS, you can limit how much battery Waze uses. On Android, you can easily go through settings, apps, Waze, battery, and set it to restricted or even optimized. On iPhone, enable low power mode while using Waze. I mean, that is the main deal here, but it's not that good to be honest. The other option, and it's the best, is to have a car that already have a built-in Android system. That's the best choice. Even if your car doesn't support it, you can still install a new panel that have Android built in, so that way you can easily install Waze in your car directly. No need for your phone to be linked, or no need even for a wireless connection. So that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching this. See you all in the next video.